Good day. My name is Natasha Berger and this is my CIC reflection video. The topic of my lesson is numbers 1 to 10 for grade R mathematics. The first lesson objective is for learners to identify and name numbers 1 to 10. The second lesson objective is for learners to match quantities with the correct numbers from 1 to 10. And the third lesson objective is for learners to count objects and complete an interactive counting activity using digital technology. For the introduction activity, I used the Singing Walrus Count to 10 video on YouTube. Learners watched the video, sang along, and counted from 1 to 10. The activity helped learners become familiar with the numbers in a fun and engaging way. For the development activity, I used the Top Mark Steady Numbers game. Learners counted objects and matched quantities to the correct numbers. This activity allowed learners to practice their counting and number recognition skills through interactive learning. For the consolidation activity, I used a word wall counting activity. Learners completed the activity to reinforce what they had learned during the lesson. This helped them revise and apply their counting skills. The ICT tools I used in this lessons were YouTube, Top Mark Steady Numbers, and Word Wall. These tools made learning more interactive, engaging, and fun for the grade R learners. The lesson accommodated different learning styles by providing visual, auditory, and hands-on learning opportunities. Learners who needed additional support received guidance from me, while more advanced learners could complete extra counting challenges. In conclusion, the lesson helped learners to develop number recognition, counting skills, and confidence when working with numbers 1 to 10. The use of ICT enhanced learner participation and supported achievement for the lesson objectives. And each activity, the Singing Walrus Count to 10 video, it used the SAMR level substitution. The YouTube video replaces a traditional teacher-led counting song or counting flashcards. Technology is used as a direct substitute for a major change to the task. And the Top Mark Steady Numbers augmentation. The game replaces the traditional counting worksheet but provides immediate feedback, interactive features, and learner engagement. Technology improves the learning experience. Consolidation activity, the level of modification. Technology significantly redesigns the activity because learners interact with digital tasks, receive instant feedback, and complete activities that would be difficult to do in the same way using paper-based resources. And I thank you for listening to my reflection, and everything went well, and the children really enjoyed these activities. It was more fun, and then they also get exposure to ICT tools, which they can use in the 21st century and one day when they do their work. Thank you. Bye-bye.